What the freak is going on, guys? I have to show you guys this because this is like insane, right? So, today is March 5th. I mean, May 5th. Oh my god, today is May 18th, 2026. It's a Monday. I thought price action was super shit. Turns out well, actually today I blew two accounts and I almost blew a third account. What the fuck? That's never happened to me ever. My psychology was super fucked today, and I think it was because I was watching pre-market too much, and it just fucked with my mind and my bias. So I want to show you what I would have done because I marked this out, and it's just like holy, like how did I not see this, right? So today and this whole week we have no news except for I think Wednesday. But just starting right into it, we're on the 4 hour. 4 hours bearish into a bearish trend. There's no for value gaps in the 4 hour, so we go to the 1 hour. Oh, there actually is. There's a 4 hour up here. Now I'm only seeing this. I'm only marking that out if the trend breaks. If we get a break of structure over here and price closes above this structure, then it's a break of structure. Then it's going to tap into the 4 hour, and then I'll trade from there. But so really, I'm looking at this if it's going to sweep this at market open because we're about 5 minutes until market open, and then go higher, or is it just going to displace lower? So. Right, so 1 hour, are there any gaps? This already got filled. This already got filled, so no gaps in the 1 hour. And then session highs and lows, I mean, Asia low down here, which is our target. We can do this and this. I'm already looking for sells because we're in a sell model right now. So I don't really see, there's no gaps, anything. 15-minute, this already got tapped, this already got tapped, this already got tapped. So there's no liquidity to be Why did my camera freeze? Are we serious right now? All right. Stay with me 1 second. I'm gonna pause. Bang. All right, we're back. Are you serious, bro? All right, we're back. Holy shit. All right. So back where I was on the 15-minute chart, there's no for value gaps that need to be tapped in. So the only liquidity that we could possibly see is either breaking this higher or just going lower. All right, so we identified that. 15-minute, there is a 15-minute lower. Okay, let's go on the 5-minute and let's just see what happens. This is market open, taps into that 15-minute. Actually, I want to mark out my ADM orb because that also tells me where price is strongly to go. So if you guys don't know, the 8 a.m. orb is we go on the 15-minute chart, and it's the 8 a.m. candle. You mark out the high of the wick. Oh, my camera froze again. Amazing. All right, we're just going to leave it at that. You mark the high of the candle to the low of the candle, and you see if price usually taps into this 50% and then shoots higher. But there is also a 15-minute gap right here. And if I'm not mistaken, there's a 30-minute, yeah. So there's a 15 and a 30-minute in the same gap. So there's a super high probability, strong pool of liquidity. Oh, buzzwords. So, and from market open, we're displacing lower. So let's just see what happens. Bam, wow. So we completely reject this gap. This is now a 15-minute inverse. So this gap is no more. Now this 15-minute inverse tells me exactly that we are in a bearish day. This is a bearish model, bearish day. Market open, flushes through bearish, and it inverses this 15-minute huge gap. So we're definitely bearish. So many bearish words. So now really what I want to know, or what I want to see my model is, okay, we have confirmation that that the market is bearish. I want to see a pullback into some form of either for value gap or order block. In this case, there is no order block or anything like that. So I'm gonna go. I usually do for value gaps. You can do 79% extension. You can do fib. You can do really anything. So I mark out this 5-minute. There's also a 10-minute inside, but I mark out the 5-minute for more precision entries. And also ADM orb gets tapped, but actually, okay, this is perfect right here. My trade today, my actual trade was this right here. I got in. Where did I get in? I got in like right. I got in like right here. I top ticked it. This was my trade for the day. And I put it right there, and I put this like right there for like a 1-to-1, and it just ripped lower, ripped straight through that. I'm gonna just take that off. Just ripped straight through that. So that really sucks. But then later I found out that, oh shit, there's a 30-minute and a 15-minute. Okay, that's high liquidity draw. So okay, so boom, perfect. It taps into this 5-minute gap. All right, now I would want to see, after it taps into this gap, for extra confirmation, if you need extra confirmation, I would want to see a inverse on one of these gaps leading up to the tap on the 5-minute. I'm on the 1-minute. There's not really any gaps. 2-minute, no, not really any gaps. 3-minute, not really any gaps. I'm not seeing any gaps over here. I'm not counting these because those are so low, and I'm gonna miss my entry. We want good entries on this, okay? So we don't see any inverses, but this created a for value gap on the 1-minute, which is the 1-minute is the time that we're going, like the, what is it? Like the time area that we want to enter trades in for more confirmation. So here, boom. For value gap, price taps in and rejects lower. So it's like, okay, this is great. I don't want to wait for the next candle or anything. This is absolutely amazing. I'm going to take this. So boom, I put my stop loss at the high, and really I can do a 1-to-1, or I can just mark this at the low. And I do mark it at the low. I could do a 1-to-1, but whatever. And then we just play it out. And then boom. Boom. Absolutely just flushes. Okay, doesn't even go into our stop loss at all, not even a tiny bit. This trade would have hit, you would have got in at 9:59, basically 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. 7 minutes this trade would have hit, and you would have got yourself a very nice 1.66 RR trade. So really, just to recap, let's get this ADM orb out the way because that's kind of distracting. So at market open, which is this line representing this candle right here, we had two scenarios. Either price was going to manipulate higher, take out these highs, go lower to go higher, or that price was just going to distribute lower and give a retracement up higher to go lower. So really, those are my two conditions. I always put out two conditions because you can react, not predict. And so yes, price opens up and it opens extremely lower. It inverses this 15-minute gap right here, so I know that I'm bearish. I want to see a pullback now so I can go lower. And what do we see here? We see a 5-minute, which is perfect. I wait for price to tap into that 5-minute. Boom, it taps in, just wicks it, and then really you can get in on that 5-minute once you see a good close. Like right here is a good close, and you would get in like right there. Or you can see, you can go scale down on the 1-minute and look for a value gap that got tapped and got rejected, or that tapped and got respected, and then you would place your trade. So that is ideally what you should have done, what I should have done today. This was a great setup for me. I just didn't see it because my mind was cloudy and fogged. But yeah, that was absolutely ideal. So yeah, that is it for today. Just under 10 minutes. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's fucking go.